because the cost of living is very high, and right now I only get 300 pound a month, and that doesn't last me for 1 week. Cause by the time I pay light and gas out of it, yeah, it's finished. You know what I mean? If I want to go anywhere, I have to end up and borrow money from people. So by the time I get my money and send it back and pay back who I owe, I don't have nothing for myself. So obviously, you know what I mean?
The tax has gone up. Bills has increased. Wages is stabilized. Where is this gonna go? You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna have a lot of dead. People gonna take their own lives. People gonna get frustrated.
I think that carers are being left out. Nothing's happening with carers, but carers are the forgotten people, and yet they don't have no life. They don't have no bank holidays. They work 24/7. And that is what it is. Don't get any support whatsoever. You've got to be there 24/7. You don't get no one to help you, and you can't afford to be ill. Bills, yeah, still got the bills, same bills coming in, but still got to pay them.
Support.
Now, some of the energy firms seem to have failed very badly on their distribution of vouchers. What it means basically is because they've got so many, they've failed to deliver to the others on time at the same rate as other energy suppliers have, and it's been pretty horrendous. So it means that any money that the vouchers would subsidise isn't happening, so it has to come from another source, hence my universal credit, or some people's old age pension. Now nobody put us in this situation, but it is here, and we do need something to actually pull us out of it, as opposed to just letting it stagnate. I understand the government are pushed for money and it's very hard, but this is a real life situation. This isn't numbers, it's real human beings. Somebody's mother, sister, brother, wife, daughter, son, cousin, whatever. It's all there, and it does need addressing. Right now, some of the fuel companies aren't addressing it as best as they can. It's costing us a hell of a lot of money. We're having to borrow from Peter to feed Paul, and it's not very nice. We do know we have to do it, but we do need your support in terms of accompanying us when we're doing this. And right now you're not doing that. It does need addressing, and if it can't be addressed, what are we going to do? It has to be addressed. You know, the cost of living crisis wasn't man-made. We need action. Not talk, we need action.